Okay, morning everybody. Today I'm going to do an unboxing on the Nerf rival precision battling gun. It's the Apollo XV-700. It's using the circular bullets instead of the long ones that the usual Nerf ammos. Okay, so now let's start. Okay, so the set comprises of the round ammos. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 of them. You can actually buy the additional packs to get the extra ammos. There's a magazine as well for you to load in the circular ammos. Let's go up. Okay, we have this instruction manual. How do you remove the magazine, and how do you clear a jam when it gets stuck. So this a detailed instruction. Okay, so now this is the Apollo's XV-700 gun. It's the blue color. There is actually the red one and the blue one, so you can actually have differentiate the both teams. So let's try and load the ammos into the magazine. So basically the ammos are actually quite child friendly, quite soft and spongy. So how do we load the ammos in? So it's front load. Okay, so once you have loaded the ammos into the magazine, you load it into the gun this way, all the way through. Okay, so afterwards you have to pull back press the trigger lock on one side to unlock. You need to unlock the trigger, then you pull the handle back all the way and forward, and there's an indicator to show that it's ready. It's orange, and just squeeze the trigger. Boom. Yep, that's how you fire off the XV-700. So it's quite a good feel to hold it. It's pretty light, and there's lots of makes it very stable because of the length, so you can actually put it onto your wrist and fire. Okay, so this is my review on the Nerf rival precision battling gun, the XV-700. So if you like to try it, just go get one. Alright, thank you so much.